Imagine waking up every morning with a clear mind, feeling refreshed, energized, and truly at peace. But in today's world, our minds are constantly cluttered with stress, overthinking, and endless distractions. What if I told you there's a way to reset, an ancient practice of balance and renewal? Welcome to YingBackToYang, where we explore how to restore harmony in your mind, body, and soul. Today, we'll uncover simple yet powerful techniques to rejuvenate your mind and reclaim inner peace. Centuries ago, a wise monk named Li lived in the mountains of China. He noticed that, just like the seasons, the mind goes through cycles, times of clarity and times of chaos. He discovered that true mental rejuvenation comes not from escaping thoughts, but from embracing stillness. By practicing mindfulness, deep breathing, and nature immersion, he found a path back to balance. His wisdom is still relevant today, and now science is proving what he knew all along. Studies show that mindfulness and meditation can actually rewire the brain, reducing stress and increasing focus. According to research from Harvard University, just 10 minutes of daily meditation can shrink the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for fear and stress. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to relax. And spending time in nature. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing your mind to reset naturally. So how can you apply these techniques in your own life? Let's explore 3 simple yet powerful ways to clear your mind and regain focus. 1. Morning mindfulness. Start your day with intention. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, or taking on your daily tasks, take 5 minutes to breathe deeply, stretch, or set an intention for the day. This small habit creates a ripple effect of calmness. 2. Nature therapy. The power of green spaces. Even a short walk in the park can lower stress levels and boost creativity. Make it a habit to step outside, take deep breaths, and reconnect with the earth. 3. The 4-7-8 breathing technique. 4. Instant calm. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This technique, backed by science, instantly lowers anxiety levels and brings clarity to your mind. Life is all about balance, the dance between activity and rest, chaos and calm. When you prioritize mental rejuvenation, you allow yourself to live fully, to embrace challenges with a clear mind, and to experience true joy. Just like the monk Li, you too can find balance, no matter how busy life gets. Always remember that a healthier mind, body, and soul is what we need to function at our 100%. Now, it's your turn. Start with just one of these techniques today and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at YingBackToYang for more ways to restore your inner peace. Until next time, breathe deeply, stay present, and embrace the balance.